Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to take you to the Ramadan Bazaar in Singapore, which is in Geylang Serai. So this is an annual event which is a celebration of food, culture and community during the month of Ramadan. As soon as I entered the market, I saw these beautiful flowers. There were beautiful shops with these flowers. They were looking really beautiful. There were shops of carpet, rugs, mats. As you can see, the prices of these rugs, mats and carpet is really good. The quality and the fiber is also really very good. You must visit and purchase something from here. So this is the street bazaar. We are entering into it, and as soon as we entered, we saw some beautiful clothes over there, jewelry, makeup, everything was there. Food was also there. Food smelled really very good. I think you should visit and try at least once. This is the food section. You will be able to get veg and non-veg both here, and the food is really very delicious, both veg and non-veg. The prices of the food is also very good. You can see milk tea at $4, $3. Some over here, and we could see a lot of options to drink, so we took this tub which was for $5. You can choose any of the flavors, any of the mugs, and you'll just have to pay $5 for that. There were some sales of clothes, bed sheets, pillows, mattresses, everything was there. The prices are also reasonable. Overall, the Singapore Ramadan Bazaar is definitely a must visit. If you are in town during Ramadan, you should visit there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.